Look what just came in the mail. CFX555IM. 55-liter Dometic cooler. Let's open this sucker up and let's see what's inside. I'm gonna put it on the floor. Ugh. It says no knife, but we're gonna use a knife. Just carefully. All right, let's see. Quick start guide, scan there. Little protector. All right, looks like it goes straight into the fridge. We got 4 corners here, protected. All right, does it just lift? Ugh. Let's put this guy here for now. Let's see, is there anything else in the box? Nope. All right. I did notice that somebody tried to lift this and it looks like it broke. I want to make sure they didn't break or dent the fridge. So let's check that. Let's see. It looks like if they dropped it, they would have dropped it over here. No, it looks fine. All right. So let's pop her open. All right, so it comes with big basket. This looks like a divider for this basket. That's nice. We got the little basket here. Some stuff in here. Let's see what's in this bag. A bag within a bag. Love it. And it feels like cables. Yep. So we got your 12-volt cigarette plug. It looks like it goes here in the back, which we'll show you now. And then your standard wall outlet to fridge connector. And then we got some manuals. Cool. Nobody ever reads those, but we got them. And cool thing about this fridge is that you can make ice with it. So let me see. Are you guys in the shot? With this fridge, if we take out this basket here, we can lift up this little flap. And we got little ice cube makers, trays to make ice cubes. So silicone, pretty straightforward. Fill that with water, and then you just pop it in here. Just take these out for now. Let's close this guy up. And then let's take a look here real quick at the back. So on the back side here, make sure you're still in the shot. Yep. So on the back side here, it looks like we have a DC input and an AC input. And then on the other side, we have the touchscreen. So I'm gonna plug everything in now, and we'll see how it runs, and I'll show you how the touchscreen works. All right, so before we go into the screen and the menu, a few things I want to mention. You do have a USB charger here, so that will just pass along power to the front here. So if you want to charge your iPhone or anything like that. With the cooler inside the ice section, what's nice about it is you put the trays in there and that freezes the water, and you can use the rest of the cooler as a fridge. You don't have to use it as a freezer. So you get the option to turn that on and off. This cooler can be used as a freezer or it can be used as a fridge. You would set that temperature here on the screen. I did have issues connecting with the application. So when you go to download the app and you search for Dometic, you're going to come across mobile cooling and then another one called CFX. Since this is a CFX, I thought I would download this one, and I spent 20 minutes trying to connect and I couldn't connect. Then I downloaded the mobile cooling app and took about 2 seconds to connect. So what you're gonna do with the mobile cooling app, once you download it, it'll kind of walk you through it, but the menu is very straightforward. Let's take it from the top. You're gonna hit up or down here to get into the menu. First thing, set temperature. You click into it with the OK. You can just go up and down, hit OK, and that'll go ahead and set it. Battery protection mode, you have high, medium, low. So if you look at the manual, the way they explain it is depending on what voltage the device reads, it'll go ahead and shut off to protect your battery. So nice feature there. You have Bluetooth, pretty straightforward, on, off, and pair. So when you download the app, it'll walk you through a few things. It'll tell you to put in pairing mode. You hit OK, it'll connect, and then you can name the cooler. So let's go back. And then you have Wi-Fi. I tried messing with Wi-Fi and I tried connecting to it. I couldn't find it. I don't know if it's giving Wi-Fi, looking for Wi-Fi. Maybe you can do it through the app, so I haven't messed with that yet. But there is Wi-Fi on this cooler. Your display, this is the brightness. You can make it brighter, dimmer. Temperature units if you want Celsius or Fahrenheit. And then ice maker on or off. So here you would go ahead and turn that little back part on if you had ice in there. And that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward on the display. Jumping into the app. Here we have, if you want to turn the cooler on and off, you click into it to set the temperature, turn on ice maker on or off. So that's pretty straightforward there. And if you had multiple devices, you can go ahead and manage them here. But app looks to be pretty straightforward. I'm gonna have to flip the way it opens. So right now it's opening this direction. I'm gonna have to go ahead and pull this out, flip it around, and close it because I want this to be on the left part of my trunk so I can open it from this direction and have this side up against the wall. So I'm gonna figure that out and get back to you all soon. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention, there's a bottle opener right here. So what I'm doing here is I'm using a flathead to just pop these little tabs out. All right, now the real question is, how do we take this guy off? So, according to the website, I just go like this and just hyperextend it and it should pop off. Ah, okay, wow, that's scary. I need an Allen key for that. I will be right back. So this is a number 4. And now I guess you do the opposite here. Nope. There it goes. Done. So now we'll reverse it. Well, that's pretty much it. Can't wait to get it set up in the Jeep. I'll post another video after I do that and show you the setup of the Jeep. So, hope you enjoy this video. Like and subscribe.